This is a copy of the package. I'm living in Thailand. I bought mine in Thailand, but I see they're on Amazon for about $17. Here's a shot of it being charged. I shot this with my GoPro. It didn't want to focus closely, but you can see there barely it is charging. It's all hooked up and working just fine. So I just finished installing this waterproof phone charger on my Honda CB300. You can see it's mounted to the handlebar. It's a unique design. It doesn't take up a lot of space on the handlebar when there's not a lot of room. It's really convenient. It's supposed to be waterproof. I have it connected to my quad lock here. It's supposed to be waterproof. It connects like that. These are really tight, solid connections. They lock into place. This is for the USB-C connection for Apple, and they snap and then lock into place. It's wired. It's connected to the rest of the wiring. Ran it down through there into here with the rest of the wiring zip tied into place, tucked away nicely behind the rest of the frame, connected to the frame that goes behind there to the battery. Pretty straightforward connections to the battery. The other one's behind the hot's behind here, and then I just have them landing loosely in there. There's a fuse that's replaceable. So here it is with the body panel in place. This is a 2015 model, by the way. There's just 5 screws holding this this whole panel. This is all one piece. There's just 5 screws holding this on. There's this one up front right here. There's this one on top, and then there's 3 on the side. Looks like previous owner, that doesn't look original. Looks like the previous owners replaced that with something they could find. It's probably supposed to look like this. And then there's another one up here. So 3 on the side, 2 on front, and the rest of it is just held in place by the snaps in the rubber grommets. So there are 4 places where it just pushes into place, and then there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 screws that hold this on, and this panel goes in. It goes into this end first, and then the rest of it just snaps into place. It's held in place by the snap-in pieces, and then it makes it easy to put the bolts in. And by the way, I guess while I'm here, added some bar risers here. These are the smallest bar risers I could find. Anything else was just too much. It put too much strain on the clutch cable and the brake line. So I had some higher ones, but they were just too much. I couldn't get any more slack out of that brake line. Still a little bit tight, a little bit tighter than I would like, but it's okay. I don't turn it lock to lock except when parking, and so be careful with that. So there it is.